Welcome to IT Tech Suranga. First, you need to remove the side cover. Carefully remove the processor fan screws. Unplug the fan cable. Remove the processor cover, handle. Now you can remove. Need to change the processor. Be careful, because it will damage the processor pins. Enter text. HP 280G9 support processors, 13 Gen, Core i3, Core i5, Core i7. This is the Core i5 processor, 13 General. Install a new processor, carefully. Close processor cover. Add thermal paste on the processor. Now, you can install processor cooling fan. Install cooling fan screws. Plug the fan cable. Please check the cooling fan work or not before close side cover. It's working. Close the side cover. Now, you can check the processor upgrading. Video came mean processor okay. Processor updated. Thanks for watching.